everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you are seeing me for the first time, I am Anjali and you are watching Ashi's Heaven. Hope everyone are doing good and really keeping safe. Even I am doing good. So hope everyone have watched my recent videos. I mean to say hope everyone are watching my recent videos whichever I have been uploading. If not, please subscribe my channel. At the moment when I upload, you will receive the notifications of all the videos that I upload. So in that case, if you have missed any of my videos, I'll just give it here or in the description box. Please do check that and watch out your favorite video. Or yeah, without much late, let's get started. Video is a very interesting video. So you might be thinking why I am sitting like this, completely blank, nothing on my face, not even a kajal. Today I am going to do a makeup challenge, so which is under 100 rupees. So this is a makeup challenge completely below 100 rupees, and this can be done by each one of us who are looking for an affordable range of makeup products, or you know, if the teenagers or college going girls or anyone who is looking out for a budget friendly makeup look below 100 rupees can definitely watch it, and you guys will really love this. So remember that this is a no foundation, no concealer, no compact makeup look, which is completely super affordable and can be done by each one of us, guys. So without skipping my video, do watch the complete video and get this beautiful makeup look below 100 rupees. So let's get started. To begin with, the very first product that I'm going to introduce you is a toner or a moisturizer, which is must for any makeup. So whenever you have a face wash or whenever you're coming out after a shower, apply cleanser or a toner or a moisturizer that is very good for your skin. So the first product is this. I have already applied it on my face. So this can be used as a cleanser and as a toner, even as a moisturizer, for around 75 rupees. So this is a super product I would always suggest. So this is my first product. You have to spray it on your face. I have already sprayed it, guys. So this is my toner.
Okay guys, so now let's apply a moisturizer. So here I am using Pond's non-oily moisturizer, which comes for below 100 rupees in different sizes. This is a bigger one, but you also have smaller versions available. So please take that, and this is a very good moisturizer. I would say this is non-oily and gives a very good matte look without keeping your skin oily. So nicely apply it on your skin and leave it for some time. So after that, I'm using a lip balm to hydrate my lips. This is from Lakme, which is Lakme Lip Love, and it comes for 99 rupees, I guess. So which is a very good lip balm, hydrating and keeps your lips so soft. So I would really suggest this. And now I'm using a Pond's BB cream here. As I said, this is a no foundation, no concealer, no compact makeup look. So I am using BB cream from Pond's, and this comes for around 89 rupees, I guess. So yeah, this gives a very good coverage, and this is really good product, I would say. So you can even use a CC cream if you are not towards BB cream. So even that you can purchase it below 100 rupees. So nicely apply it all over your face and neck and gently massage. Blend it into your skin. You can use a beauty blender if needed. I'm convenient using my fingers, so I'm just applying it and blending it into my skin nicely. So yeah, I have applied it so good and blended it so well, and do not forget to include your neck as well. So now instead of compact powder, I am using a talcum powder here, so which is from Yardley. Again, you have multiple options available. So below 100 rupees, I thought this powder is doing a great job actually. So this gives a very matte look, guys. So I have been trying this in so many days, so I thought to include it in this makeup look. So this is really good face powder, so you can just try this out. If needed, you can also use loose powders or rose powders, which is also available in 100-110 range. You can also include that. So once it is done, I am going towards eye. So I am using a kajal, which is from L18 Eye Drama Kajal Pencil. So this is I think below 100 rupees. Yeah, so this comes for 80 rupees, I guess. This is a really good kajal, guys. This gives a very superb look. This is waterproof and smudge proof, and also long lasting for around 9 to 10 hours it lasts, guys. So after that, I'm using an eyeliner. This is Eyetex Dazzler eyeliner. So if you're looking for a very superb and perfect eyeliner, then you can definitely go for Eyetex Dazzler eyeliner. You also have Blue Heaven also coming below 100 rupees, but I would say when compared with Blue Heaven, Eyetex Dazzler is just awesome, guys. This has a really good consistency, and it also gives a perfect dark look to your eyes. So I would definitely suggest this. This is below 45 rupees. So I'm just giving a basic eyeliner look. So yeah, and the other thing, I'm using the same eyeliner as a mascara because I don't think below 100 rupees you will get a mascara. If you're getting, that is a great job. If not, I'm just as I guess you can just try out this hack, guys, because it really works. You can use the same eyeliner as the mascara with using that brush, and you can just give a simple, look. It really looks so superb on your eyes, guys. So it really works. Do try this. So next I'm using a lipstick from L18. So this retails for around 75 rupees, and this is under the shade Nude Fix. This is a superb lipstick, I would say. This has a very good color, and it really, it is so soft, and it is smoothly blends on your lips, guys. I really love this lipstick. And to enhance this lipstick, I'm using a lip liner here. I got this from Nykaa. This is from In Color. So this is under the shade Bobby Brown, and this is a superb lip liner, guys. So yeah, and that's all. So that is how I made this. Hope you guys like it.
So yeah, that's all for today. So hope you have liked my below 100 rupees makeup challenge. So this is how it looks after your makeup is done. So this is a very affordable and a super easy makeup look which is below 100 rupees. All the products that I have used here are below 100 rupees, and it can be purchased by each one of you. Really everyone can recreate this makeup look. So this is a very basic makeup look which can be done by each one of you. So this makeup look can also be considered as an office wear or work from home look, or anything like that, because it is so simple in its way. So there is no foundation, there is no compact, no concealer, nothing like that. Only thing we have used here is a BB cream. So yeah, and that's all for today, guys. So hope you have liked my below 100 rupees makeup look. All the products I used in this video are below 100 rupees. So everyone can definitely purchase all of these products and make a beautiful look like this. So hope you have liked it. So if you have liked this, makeup look, please let me know in the comment section below. And also if you are liking my video and content, please like, share and subscribe, and share it with your friends and family as well. And let them know that there is a small little channel like this which does a lot of makeup videos and reviews and haul videos, all of kind of videos, and let them know. So yeah, that's all for today, guys. So see you soon in another video. Till then, bye and take care.